Hello everyone, this is Rashmi. Welcome to my channel. Here we have uh, an update about the PhD admission into triple IITDM Jabalpur. So at Rashmi at the rate JRFGuru, we are regularly guiding you for qualification of JRF examination, to qualify the NET exam, to qualify the SET exam, and to qualify the PhD entrance exam. थ्रू दिस प्लेटफॉर्म बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने अपना करियर परस्यू किया है and they are continuing their PhD and others job like assistant professor and all. So today I am making this video to about inform you about the PhD admission opportunity at triple IITDM Jabalpur. In this opportunity, basically, um, if you have like good academic, then you can go for it, and you could have up to 42,000 per month uh, you will get as an institute assistantship. Basically, you will get best amount to pursue your career, to pursue your research. तो यदि आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं इस वीडियो में लास्ट तक रहें क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पर आपसे डिस्कस करूंगी कि व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट branches are here in which you can apply. What is your eligibility? What is the admission category? There is the PhD admission for the part time as well as the full time. What are the different PhD categories are there? What is the procedure? What are the important dates? So I'm going to discuss all these things about the triple ITM uh, PhD programs. Correct. So this is the PhD entrance exam that they are conducting for the जुलाई 2024 सेशन. सबसे पहले तो बात कर लेते हैं कि यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंट डेट्स क्या. तो यू कैन सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन डेट्स को आप नोट कर लें. तो सबमिशन ऑफ ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन इज जुलाई ऑफ 12th. Last date of submission of online application is 21st of July. Correct. Now announcement of shortlisted candidate will be on 25th. Then there will be the written test or the interview based on the condition. So it will be on 1st and 2nd August. In the list they will mention, if you will get selected for this, they will mention that on what date you present there. Finally, the announcement of selected candidate and semester will start on the 12th of August. So this is what the important date. And what are the fee structure. So if you are appearing for the fee structure, if you are the candidate that belongs to SC category, you have to just pay 300 rupees, and for all the other categories you have to pay 500 rupees for this PhD program. Correct. Now see, yes, there will be the financial support. Support up to 50,000 is provided for the project related work. If you need any instrument or you need to go for travel and like that, if you are going for the any kind of international conferences or you are going to present any national conference, so you will get the support of 50,000 for international conference. You will get the support 10,000 for the national conference. So these are the like some benefit we will have when we will join this program. And see, what are the branches we have: computer science, electronics, mechanical engineering, design, natural science physics, and natural science mathematics. अब बात कर लेते हैं what are the categories, in which category we can apply. This PhD program is available for both category, like for the full time, for the part time. So if you are going for the full time, then you will get the institute financial support, and for the first year and second year it will be 37,000, and for the third, fourth and fifth year it will be 42. What should be requirement? You should be qualified GATE, SEED, UGC NET exam, or student are admitted under the category entitled for the financial support as per the Ministry of Education. And yes, यहाँ आपको डेडिकेटली डेली 8 hours स्पेंड करने होंगे when you are pursuing full time PhD. Another category of full time PhD without assistantship, you have fellowship award will be awarded by various government and semi government agencies. Like you are, if you are NET qualified, you are GRF qualified, then you will get stipend from the government. So again, semi-government fellowship you can have, and another category is you could be a sponsored. You could be a sponsored candidate. In case of sponsored candidate, uh, The government recognized R&D organization and industry listed with NSE and SEBI, and those candidates who are working in these organization or those who are belonging to this organization can go for it. Correct? So yes, this is about the full time or the part time. Like you can see, this is the criteria, but we have the regular learner, so I think you don't need this. Yes, so now you know everything about this. Eligibility criteria की भी बात कर लेते हैं. Minimum is 60% and MTech, ME and MDS is applicable for this. So we need 6 point out of 10.0 यदि आप CGPA ले रहे हैं और 60% out of 100%. This is what the criteria we have. Got it? So yes, you can go for it and can apply for this. And this PDF I will upload on my Telegram channel. तो आप रश्मि @JRFGuru चैनल से इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड अप्लाई. थैंक यू. इस टाइप की वीडियोस आपको मिलते रहेंगे. तो डू ज्वाइन दिस चैनल that you will get the Rashmi JRFGuru. The Telegram channel is Rashmi JRF. Thank you.